Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E6 Plus, and today I will show you how to boot the device into Fastboot Mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off and wait for the device to shut off. Once it has, you want to hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. And once you see the boot mode, which is the menu that is right now, you want to use the volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm, and you want to select Fastboot Mode, which is the middle option, and press volume down, and you are now in the respected mode. And if you want to leave it, all you really need to do is just press power key, and it's gonna basically normal boot now. Just give it a moment. And there we go. So that is how you would access and also leave the Fastboot mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.